my eyes were just like brighter than usual. My mouth hit the ground.
She has her own bed. This is so beautiful. I cannot believe how gorgeous this is.
It was kind of hard to believe that before this was the garage. It's kind of like, almost took a second to like visualize.
I can't believe it, it's beautiful. It was more beautiful than I imagined.
Oh my God, the stairs.
Oh my,
Fix the stairs.
look at this basement.
3 months after Audrey was born, she was diagnosed with microcephaly, which is a rare neurological disorder. It's often related to the Zika virus. Audrey has this unbreakable spirit and support system, and she has defied all the odds. Where are we right now? Whose house is? Oh, man. Oh, you make it all worth it. Hey, we got some special things for you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you get a hug.
Come on, bring her. Come, bring mom. Bring mom. Bring.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. You want to go in? You love it?
Because she's been in a crib and we were so afraid to take her out and switch her to a bed.
It's a sleep-safe bed, so the whole idea behind it is to help people with disabilities and make sure that they're safe and comfortable in their beds.
And she can see us out so she won't be scared. I
Yeah,
love it.
yeah.
I love it.
Nick is nonverbal and suffers from epilepsy and cerebral palsy. Keeping an eye on him is crucial because he is constantly at risk for unpredictable falls and seizures. The Stratton family's house needs to be accessible, it needs to be comfortable, and it needs to be safe because keeping up with Nick is both challenging and crucial. And right now, they are not suited for it.
Because of the size and the layout, the current layout, it's not conducive to like what we're, doing on daily tasks here.
How's everyone doing? Good. Yeah? Good to see you guys. Are you guys ready for this?
Oh, definitely.
All right, this may be one of our craziest transformations ever, all for you guys. You ready, Nicholas? Let's go.
Go.
On your cue.
Oh my God.
Whoa,
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
that's insane. And even nowhere near our house.
What?
My eyes were just like brighter than usual. My mouth hit the ground. Oh, look at that.
As soon as the door cracked open, it was that noticeable. It happened that quickly.
I think they're in shock. Literally took their breath away.
This can't be real.
We didn't extend it 1 square inch, but it's a little different, right?
It seems like it's huge. Just the openness of it's actually making everything easier right away. The weight has been removed from my shoulders. I knew it was, no matter what, it was going to be great, and it far exceeded that.
Denise is a selfless single mother who adopted her son Joey in 2010. Because of Joey's unique developmental needs, some parts of his house can be considered hazardous, namely his backyard. Hey, Mr. Joey, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good.
Yeah?
I don't have a house.
Whose house is this?
My house.
It's right, it's your house. Let's do this. So Denise,
ready?
I just let Joey in on a little secret.
Okay.
You just get up there and take care of Joey's room. We also did your room.
Oh my God.
And Joey and I decided that we want to show you your room first.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Oh my God. Walking into my bedroom for the very first time, the first thing I saw was a chandelier, which was beyond beautiful. No way! Oh my God! There's no way! And then the walk-in closet. That part of the room I can't even process right now. I can't believe that! Oh,
It's brand spanking new!
I was relaxed. I felt the space was so calming and the colors. I can't believe it, it's beautiful. It was more beautiful than I imagined. Oh my God! Look at the bed chairs, Joe! Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Have at it, Joe.
Beautiful.
Our daughter Mia has cerebral palsy. She was officially diagnosed at 1 year old. On the second day of life, they said that her lung collapsed. She had high blood pressure, which led to bleeding on the brain. I can honestly say it was the hardest thing ever in our lives because we didn't know if she was going to make it or not.
We had our crying time, and then we just looked at each other and said, you know, we can't cry anymore. It's all about Mia now.
Sadly, because Mia has cerebral palsy, she is not able to walk, which makes it a daily challenge for her and her parents getting in and around her house.
We are concerned as Mia gets older and heavier, getting her in and out of the house and accessibility. We just kind of still treat her like a baby. We take her out of the car, we carry her in, we put her on one of the couches here.
Maximizing space has been a priority for Bob and Liz. They have an increased need for accessibility and a safe space for the kids to grow and play. So what do you say? You guys want to go in?
Absolutely. Cannot wait to see it.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do it.
Oh my God. Fantastic. You just know it's going to be good, but you have no idea exactly how it's going to be designed. Every single corner, every space in that room was changed. They didn't miss a spot.
Oh my God.
It's beautiful.
My room.
This is your room now?
Oh, you're moving down here?
She said, this is my room. When we left, it was basically just a box with a couch in it. You can't say that now. You look in that basement, it's phenomenal.
The new basement is amazing. It's more comfortable, it's more safe. It was probably the most exciting day of my life.
Oh my God, Mia. Look at this. Oh my God, Mia, this is for you. You want to sleep in it?
God, this is, oh my God, Bobby. I can't believe how beautiful this is. She has her own bed. This is so beautiful. I cannot believe how gorgeous this is.
When I went up the stairs, the first thing I noticed was that the door was moved. And I don't know why that hit me. That hit me like a ton of bricks. And then when we opened her room, you created a space that I never could have created. Mia, do you love your room?
I love my room.
So great to see her excited and happy about something.
But when she gets excited, she kicks those limbs, the legs and the arms.
She's jumping out of your arms.
I never think I'm going to be shocked. And it's just unbelievable, guys. Thank you so much.
Mason was diagnosed with autism back in 2013. And although he faces significant developmental challenges, Rich and Jamie are doing everything they can to help him reach his full potential. Jamie has put her career on hold to take care of Mason and to be an advocate for autism awareness. And Rich has taken on a second job just to help with the cost of therapy. Jamie and Rich maintain a warm and loving home, but they are definitely in need of a safe space for their active boys. What's up, Richie? How's it going, buddy?
Hug.
Oh, thanks for the hug. You guys ready to see what we did?
We're really ready.
I think Richie's ready to go. He's already at the front door. So,
Are you ready, bud?
Richie, lead the charge.
Okay.
You ready to come home?
Oh my God, the stairs.
Oh my!
Fix the stairs.
Look at this basement.
Oh my God. It's perfect.
This is amazing.
When we first came down and I just saw lights and colors and amazing furniture and then the ball pit, which Mason went right into and was so happy.
Look at the smile on his face now.
Mason, you have your own ball pit.
I'll go into the ball pit.
Being down here and seeing all of these sensory toys that Mason will really enjoy, but there's also some really cool pillows everywhere, lots of colors.
You guys, this is amazing. I don't even know what to say.
I mean, for a kid that works so hard and struggles so much to like have a place where you can have fun, it's awesome.
If I could describe what having 17 surgeries is like, I'd call it my own personal normal.
We're here in Merrick, New York to surprise the Mason family, whose very inspiring daughter Rachel has overcome tremendous odds.
Rachel was born with congenital scoliosis and thoracic insufficiency syndrome.
Despite strenuous surgeries and rehab, Rachel has persevered and inspired countless others, myself included. Fortunately, doctors are optimistic that her latest procedure will be her last. A custom music room would help enrich Rachel and Maya's lives and help them pursue their creative dreams together. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome home.
Thank you, thank you.
How you doing? Good. Bring it up. Come on, hog. I didn't know.
You know what you're getting this way.
I knew what I was getting with TJ. All right, you want to see what's behind those windows where there once was a garage?
Yeah.
You guys ready for this?
Wait.
Check it out.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow.
The second we walked through this door and saw this space, or actually when I saw the look on my girl's face, for me as a dad, incredible. The artwork, the designs, it was a lot for them to absorb.
Oh my God!
Wow.
I was just super excited and I couldn't believe what I was seeing because it was just so beautiful. It was kind of hard to believe that before this was the garage. It's kind of like almost took a second to like visualize.
They got the spot.
Yeah, they were like really good with it.
It's just amazing how these people had like never met us before, but they knew exactly what we liked. And just looking around here, it's definitely our style.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.